Welcome back office executives. In this particular Excel video tutorial we will be looking in advanced filter section. So in the filter I'll be the filter will be applied over designation and OE and technical. Only the OE and technical will be shown from this data set. So if I select this range of cell and then apply filter, I'll be going to the home section and then in the filter section apply filter, and from designation I'll be unchecking the select all option and I will be checking OE and technical. So now I want that this OE and technical, these four records would be shown in a separate table. How to do so? So let me uncheck the filter, the filter. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be just uncheck the filter option as well. So within this range of cell, this is the range of cell over which the filter will be applied. I'll be going to the data section and from there I'll be selecting this particular option advanced. So this is the list range over which the filter will be applied, and the criteria is this one: designation, OE and technical, and copy to another location, copy to, let me select a particular cell. So the copy will be in here, and I will be checking this option unique records only and hit OK. So let me just so Shubhankar Pal, Manoj Tiwari, Priyobrat Mishra, Shaksis, these are the filtered out data from this, from the data set which was being presented to us. This is the filtered data, and the criteria is over designation, OE and technical. So that's how the advanced filter works. That is from the whole of the data set, a subset of data is being pulled out from this data, from this range of cell. So that's all about advanced filter. Thank you all guys and happy coding.